guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be understanding how to find the right jeans for your body type. And believe me, buying the perfect pair of jeans can be such a huge task. It can be so annoying sometimes because sometimes the jeans you like will fit you perfectly from the waist but they'll be super tight from the hips, or they'll fit perfectly on the hips but will be super loose from the waist. And those are the moments when I feel I wish somebody could tell me how to just go to one store, pick out one jeans and just walk out, and those would be my perfect pair of jeans. I know it can get very tedious and it can be very stressful, and so I, over the past few years, have come up with a few points that I remind myself whenever I have to buy jeans. And if you like this new setup, I would highly recommend you follow Miraki by Manya. It's her Instagram page. I will leave it down below. She's helped me with the setup. Without further ado, let's get started on how you can find the perfect jeans for your body type. So to know how to find the right set of jeans, you need to understand what all jeans are available in the market. And this can again be very confusing because nowadays there are so many names. You walk into a Levi's store and they literally have these sections and it gets so confusing. So to make it all easy for you, there are three important things that you should always keep in mind. One is the rise, second is the leg, and third is the wash. These are three categories according to which jeans are classified. So let's start with rise. Three very common styles are high rise, mid rise and low rise. This is kind of self-explanatory because high-rise jeans are those which fit above or on your belly button. Mid-waist jeans are those which fall between your belly button and your hip line, and low-rise jeans are those that fall on or below your hip line. So these are how you can remember whenever you go out to buy jeans. Just remember, if somebody says it's a high-rise jeans, it falls on or above your belly button. In my opinion, low-rise jeans are done away with. I haven't seen a lot of people wear low-rise jeans. I think it is a style that was popular in the early 2000s, but now it's kind of done. And a lot of people now wear high-rise jeans. I personally feel they're very comfortable. But let's move on and discuss the leg types. Now, there are a lot of different styles available in the market when it comes to different kinds of jean styles, and talking about legs in particular. There's wide, skinny, straight, mom, boyfriend, flared, crop, bootcut. There's so much and the list is honestly never ending. Wide jeans are those that kind of flare at the bottom. Skinny jeans are kind of body hugging jeans. They fit you perfectly. Bootcut and flared are again jeans that are wider on the hem. And mom jeans, boyfriend jeans are both kind of baggier styles. So they're more, they've got a lot more volume. They make your lower part look more bulkier as compared to skinny jeans. Next, let's talk about wash. So there's dark wash and there's light wash. Now dark wash looks more formal. You can wear it to a lot of places. You can even sometimes wear it to your office because it does give a very business casual kind of vibe. So if your office environment is like that, I think that would again be a great choice. When we talk about lighter washes, those are more casual, so you can wear it when you're going out with friends, you can wear it to the mall for example, but I wouldn't recommend wearing it a lot or when you have to go to someplace formal because it can give the impression of a very casual, laid back, not so serious vibe. The next part of this video is to understand what kind of jeans flatter your body type. Now there are a lot of body types and I made one video just for a pear shaped body type because that's the one I have, and I think a lot of you really liked it, but I also want to cover different body types in this video. So just to give you an idea, there's apple, there's petite, there's hourglass, there's obviously the pear shaped body type, there's a rectangle shaped body type. So for all of these, different kinds of jeans are suggested. Again, these are just guidelines. You never have to stick to these, you can always experiment, but just for an idea and just out of research, what looks good on each body type is what I'll be telling you. So for a pear shaped body type, I would highly recommend high rise flared jeans. You can go for bootcut, you can go for mom jeans, but they help balance out your body and they help give you a very nice silhouette in general by taking away the attention from your lower part and they bring it to the upper part. If you have a petite body type, you can go for something that is darker in wash. Again, it makes your legs look very long and very elongated. Try to go for skinny straight cut jeans. Something that's more body hugging, more fitted would make your legs look a mile long. So try to go for something like that. It would help you increase your height. You can go for black jeggings as well. I think that's a very nice option. Jeggings also, by the way, are super comfortable. If you have a rectangular body type, honestly the options for you are unlimited. You can play around with almost any kind of jean style, and that's only because the kind of body type you have would look good regardless of what kind of jeans you wear. So you can go for high rise, you can go for mid rise, you can go for skinny, you can go for wide. One thing that I would recommend is to fold your jeans a little from the hem, or you can get those cropped, or you also get cropped jeans in the market. You can go for something something like that. Wearing cropped jeans would enhance your body type a lot more, and again would just add a little more element to your outfit. Let's talk about the round body type. If you have a round body type, something again that's high-waisted would fit perfectly well, because again your lower part might be heavier, and in that case something that fits above your waist would look really nice, and again would draw the attention away from your hips and bring it to the top part. Now again, if you have a round body type, you can go for something that's skinny, but you can also go for something that has a wide leg. So you can go for flare, or you can go for boyfriend jeans, even baggy jeans. If you have an hourglass figure, which I think a lot of people do, you can go for something which is skinny. You can also go for something that's cropped. So skinny jeans that are cropped from the hem would look amazing. You can also experiment with a wide leg, and I would highly recommend wearing high-waisted jeans again, because that draws the attention away from the lower part, brings it to the top part. The rules for hourglass, round and Pear, they are very similar to each other. So as I said, I would highly recommend if you checked out the video that is styling for pear-shaped body types, because I do mention a lot of these points in detail even in that video. Now when you go to the store to buy your perfect set of jeans, there are a few things that you should measure. Instead of just heading straight to the trial room with 5 jeans in your hand, I would recommend measuring a few things before you step out to first of all shop for the jeans. There are 3 very important things that you should be measuring. The first is your waist, the second is the length from the waist to the crotch, and the third is the length all the way from the crotch to the ankle. Here is a little hack that my friend taught me when we were shopping for jeans. If the line is very long, you don't want to stand in the queue and you don't want to wait for so long, all you want to do is take the waistband and wrap it around your neck. It does not have to sit absolutely perfectly, but if the ends are meeting each other, more often than not it would fit perfectly. Now when we talk about the fitting, there are certain things again that you should keep in mind. Always make sure that the fabric should not be hanging, especially when we talk about the crotch area. You want it to fit seamlessly, perfectly well, without any kind of flaps over there, any kind of loose fabric just hanging from there. Another thing, and something that is very important, is to consider the overall fitting of the thigh and the hip area. Especially if you have a round, hourglass, pear-shaped body type, your thighs and your hips can feel very uncomfortable if you buy a size smaller than your actual size, or if you're not sure about the size that you want to get. One thing that's different with most jeans are the pockets, and with some jeans the pockets are placed slightly lower, with some jeans they're placed slightly higher, so this can get confusing and you might wonder where is the ideal position of the pockets. So here's the thing, smaller the pockets, larger the backside. So if your pockets are tiny, if they are small, the bum might look wider. The closer the pockets are placed, the more lifted your back would look. So if you want your bum to be lifted, make sure that the pockets are closer to each other. Now that you have found your perfect pair of jeans, let's talk a little about garment care, because I feel like with jeans we're all pretty careless and we just throw them in the washer, or we give it to the dhobi bhaiya and then he does whatever he has to do with it. But nobody really understands how do you actually care for jeans, and there are a lot of articles that you can read about this. But just in general, a few things that you should keep in mind are: never wash your jeans in hot water, and please let them dry naturally. You don't need to put them in the dryer to let them dry. Heat from both the washer and the dryer will make it lose its color, will make it lose its feel, it will make it more baggy and more kind of worn out. It wouldn't be as clean and as sharp as it was when you first bought it. So the best way to take care of your jeans is to hand wash it or to wash it inside out, because that way it wouldn't kind of damage the outer layer of your jeans. And another thing that I would recommend is whenever you're going to shop for jeans, this is kind of technical, but always see how many stitches are there per inch. Whenever you compare 2 jeans, the heavier out of the 2 would more often than not be more expensive, because there's more stitching involved, more precision involved, and that's the kind of jeans that would generally be more long lasting. Having said all of this, everything boils down to your personal preference. At the end of the day, somebody can tell me to buy high rise, wide leg jeans, but until I am convinced, I will not buy it. So the key is to experiment. The key is to go to the market, go to the mall, go to whatever store you like. Just make sure you know your fitting, you know what to measure, you know your size as well, and you know the kind of jeans that you want to buy. Jeans, I feel, are an investment. You can get cheaper jeans as well, but if you buy good quality jeans, they would sometimes be expensive, and that's only because they've put in a lot of effort into that pair of jeans, and you don't always keep on switching jeans, right? I have a few selected styles of jeans that I like, and I stick to those styles whenever I have to go out, and that's something I feel holds true for most of us. We don't always have to go out and buy new jeans. One jeans we buy, those last for a very long time. So make sure whenever you're buying the perfect pair of jeans, you put in thought and you put in effort, and then you go for the one that you truly, madly fall in love with. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new over here, I would highly recommend, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our family. I do make a lot of these videos. One last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often, and my profile is somewhere on the screen right over here, so make sure you come join us over there as well. I do post a lot of OOTDs and a lot of details about my outfits over there, so if you're interested in that stuff, make sure you come check out my Instagram as well. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.